Master the plains and conquer the night with the indispensable saddle, your key to unlocking a world of mounted adventure in Minecraft. Let's dive straight into crafting this essential item first. You'll need a crafting table. Open it up and arrange 5 pieces of leather in a horseshoe-shaped place. 1 piece in the top left slot, 1 in the top middle slot, 1 in the top right slot, 1 in the middle left slot, and finally, 1 in the middle right slot, leaving the center and bottom row empty. This horseshoe pattern is crucial. This will output a saddle. Simple as that. Now, how do you get that precious leather? The most common and reliable way to obtain leather is by defeating cows. They're found in abundance in most grassy biomes. Aim for their hides, and you might just get a few pieces of leather from each one. Alternatively, you might get lucky through exploration. Saddles can sometimes be found in generated chests. Look for them in dungeons, desert wells, abandoned mine shafts, fortress chests, and even stronghold chests. Keep your eyes peeled as you venture through your world. Once you've got your saddle, all you need is a horse to tame. Feed it some apples or wheat to gain its trust, then right-click it with the saddle in your hand to equip it. Now you're ready to gallop across your world, faster and further than ever before. Explore vast terrains, outrun creepers, and enjoy the sheer joy of equestrian travel. A saddle truly transforms your Minecraft experience, opening up new possibilities for exploration and adventure with your loyal steed. So go forth, gather your materials, and saddle up for your next great Minecraft journey.